attention, baby, and I can't make a move. Like a child, a star for love, I'll stay there as long as I have to. I'll cry a river of tears that flows to the sea. Baby, if you run away, baby, if you leave, I'm so in love with you, girl. You make me feel brand new. Come on, give it up to me. Let me take care of you. I know that your mama said I'm gonna make you cry all night. I'll cry a river of tears that flows to the sea. Baby, if you run away, baby, if you leave.
Yeah, I'm at what room am I at? I think it's room 19. I think it's room 19. Right here. 2319. There you go.
Open your eyes, what can you see around? Wind of the open sky, over the siren sounds. This is a dream, getting the royal scar, holding a diamond blade, throwing it far. Holding your breath still, you jump the fire. We'll just sit and wait till you see me fly. You know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. See me fly, you know they'll never catch me for it. See me fly, the way I put my finger on it. See me fly, you got it, then try to tell me you got the wrong guy. Look at them now, all of the noise they make, counting the cards to one. Queen of hearts never breaks. Falling asleep here might just take a while. Trying not to grind your teeth, dreaming to touch my style.
Oh man, I'm excited. Yes. This is where I'm staying for the next couple of days. Just relaxing. That's all I want to do. Just get away, go to the pool, relax. Yep. What am I looking at? There you go. I'm looking at the back. I'm not even looking at the pool or anything like that. But that's fine. So beautiful. So peaceful. I love having these simple staycations. Look at that, guys. Thank God it's not the rain. Yes. So look at towels that they gave me. And then it comes right back to the door here. There is an adjacent door with a... Not that bad at all. Got a refrigerator back here. Oh, I can use that fridge. There you go. Water complimentary. Lovely tall mirror. Love that. And two, I asked them for a queen size bed, but they didn't have any queens, so this is fine. Somebody's at the door. I'll come back in, guys. guys, so I got up. I rested so good. It's now what? 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Yep. Your girl just got up. I rested so good. I needed this rest. This is the neat, clean bed. I needed this rest so much. Oh my God. So now I'm gonna go sit out and watch what do I watch? The Succession. So I'm gonna watch Succession. Have you guys been watching Succession? Awesome show. I connect my HBO to the television. I'm gonna just chill out. The main reason why I am kind of out here just celebrating and taking this time away, guys, it has been 4 years since I've been on YouTube, and I just wanted to treat myself to a really little staycation because I like traveling, I like going away. So I literally just booked myself a room, came on down over here in the Orlando area just to celebrate the time that I've spent doing so much work. I probably am going to order some Uber Eats because I went downstairs and they had macaroons and stuff. So I picked up 1 or 2. My husband would have loved this if he was here. So I just picked up what? 1, 2. Listen. If you didn't see that other video, I'm going to put a link on the screen where I had so much macaroons. My husband and I was trying out different ones. And I was kind of looking. They had that complimentary. I was kind of looking to see if they may have it here as well. But that's what I got. I bought myself some wine. And I bought myself some Jack from home. But I'm going to pour some wine out. I bought my favorite wine. I like this. So I'm going to go sit out, pour some wine, order something to eat over Eats, maybe sushi. I don't know what I'm going to order yet. Watch Succession, and then tomorrow I'll come back in. I have to do some work still because I also booked a room to do a campaign with one of my people that I work with. I'm also going to do a haul in the room, so I still got to work. So I'm going to go ahead, order in something to eat right now, just chill in my head. I don't even have my wig on, guys. I just traveled down. I didn't even put my wig. I want to take also a bath. So it's just me basically reflecting, looking back, being grateful, thankful for how far that your girl has reached, how much work I've done. It's a lot of work. Any other person who's a creator will know that doing this is not easy. So me taking this little staycation as in a celebration to 4 years being on YouTube, love it. So I needed this to just rest and relax. I literally get up at 10 o'clock. I was going to get dressed and say I was going to go out by the pool, but the pool closes at 10. So tomorrow I'll get dressed maybe. I don't know if I'm going to do the pool tomorrow, but my daughter knows that I'm in town. So she's like, Mom, can I pop by? So I was like, I don't mind. Yeah. So she may come through. Hazi is home. He has to work. So, you know, it's all well and good. I'm just excited just to be out here celebrating. And this is where I told him that I wanted to celebrate. So he was like, whatever you want to do, baby girl. You're a big lady. You could do it. You're a grown lady. You could do whatever you want. So that's the real good, healthy relationship we have. I'm so grateful for the kind of guy that I have. So, babes, if you do see this video, know that thank you so much for being with a girl, going through all the tough times, all those nights that I had to work late, just putting out videos and creating and editing and stuff like that. This is just me now relaxing here. I'm going to look really good tomorrow, but this is my attire for the night. So I'm going to order in something to eat. Guys, the room is so beautiful. I just, yeah, I did a little bit for your girl. So, and I'm staying here till, well, I think I'm staying here till Saturday or Sunday. But I'll take you guys along. I'll see you guys when the food gets here, or if not, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh my God. Just relaxing. It's what you go want to do. This is what I wanted to do. I just wanted to sit out on my bed and just relax at a really nice hotel. Simple things I like. The simple things. As while I was laying in my bed, I wanted to show you guys also what I did. I literally brought a few things because I was hoping that it have a refrigerator, and it does. So I'm going to show you guys. I bought a few things from the house. Oops, I'm on the floor. Guys, it has that lovely mirror in the bathroom. The only thing I don't like about those things It's like I don't stand it. I don't stand to do my makeup. So now, look at that. Let me show you guys. I fixed up my fridge in the room. It came in the room as well. And the door is glass door, guys. Beautiful. So I brought myself some water, a little snack. Like, guys, if you know me now, you know I love my milk. Coke Zero, my lemonade. I picked up these two things, but I don't know. There's no microwave in the fridge, so. And I brought myself a salad from the house. I normally buy these, so just something in case I want to munch on in the night. You know, this is just your girl. But I like the fridge. It's so beautiful. Beautiful glass door. Isn't that cute? And I bought myself some popcorn in case I want to watch a movie later on. And a snack there. That's my bag. And I brought my stuff in. Wanted to show you guys that. The other thing I have to show you guys, I said I was going to show you guys me opening this new, listen, the way that I packed my suitcase, I was supposed to do it like earlier on, open out, yes, in my takeoff luggage. I think I'll do that on camera soon so I could get my clothes to hanging up. Yeah, look at that. There's all my work clothes and other things in here. Order my food, so when they come with the food, I'm just kind of, I literally needed that rest, because I just want to stop for a second to say, that rest when I came in and I rest, oh my God, that was so, like, so well needed. That rest that I took, so well needed. So if you're interested, I say again, you want to do your clothes like how I pack my clothes to travel, to go away, all of the links are going to be down below in my storefront, my Amazon storefront. You too can do. I think it's a real economical way to pack our luggage and still get the best of our suitcase. When I tell you the best of our suitcase, the best. So I'm going to put you up on a stand there. So I order my food, and then I'm going to enjoy that, and then I'll meet up with you guys again tomorrow when I look beautiful, more beautiful, more beautiful. Guys, I have a horrible back pain. I don't know where this back pain come from, but I bind it. I bind it. I bind it in the Lord's name. Let me put you up on a stand. Just listen, this is the new way to travel, I think. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm waiting for my food to come on in now. Once now they come and knock on the door, I'll show you guys what I get, and then I'll sign it off for the night. I'm gonna watch Succession, eat, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much for supporting you, girl, and keeping me. You guys really show me a lot of love. When I tell you guys, you show me a lot of love, you guys show me a lot of love. And it's surprising that a lot of love comes from you guys, when you would figure that a lot of love would come from like family members and stuff like that. I'm telling you guys, don't hold your breath. I get a lot more love from the people outside. From strangers, the people outside. And that's on period. Like, I see you guys in the comment section, and I see how you guys watch the videos and just cherish a girl and talk about, Star Girl, I love what you're doing. Keep on doing it. It's amazing. It's truly, truly, truly amazing. I love it and I appreciate it. I just want to say thank you. I'm celebrating. If you guys could have been here, we'd have been popping bottles together. But this is how I celebrate. I'm kind of go like simplicity to some degree. What I like is where I'll go and do most of what I like. So I like coming to the hotels, lay out, relax, go by the pool, walk through, show you guys places. If you are ever in the Orlando area or so, this is the Hyatt Region. If you wish to stay here, beautiful one. Beautiful, beautiful one. So I'll be back when my food comes to that door. There we go. So it started. I'm going to go ahead now and lay down in my bed and enjoy this. I'm going to watch my show now. Let's go. Food income. I'll just probably put a picture when they come. I want to start the show. So. Okay, guys. So I just ordered something to eat. I ordered something downstairs for $20.24. I got myself some Sprite. Let's see what I got. Yeah, they brought it. Oh, what's this? They brought it up for me, which is pretty cool. Not bad at all. So I decided to have myself a sandwich. Yep. 24. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna eat this. This is what I'm gonna have. I think I'll keep this one for later. Yeah. Let's put some over here. I think that's what I'll do. I'll leave this one for later. For when I get hungry again. Yeah. That's pretty decent. Yeah. Yeah. And then I'm laying on that bed, so I think I'm gonna rest it on this side. I'm gonna have it over here. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna have that now. See you guys tomorrow.
You got my attention, baby. And I can't make a move. Like a child, a star for love. I've stayed there as long as I had to. I'll cry a river of tears that flows to the sea. Baby, if you run away, baby, if you leave, I'm so in love with you, girl. You make me feel brand new. Come on, give it up to me. Let me take care of you.